Valleys Kids is a community development charity, and we began 33 years ago. And the essence of Valleys Kids is about growing people. It's about giving them opportunities to grow in confidence and skills to be able to realise their potential. The Msanzi Cymru project came out of working with Amon Pondo, an incredible percussion band from Cape Town who came to us through the Brecon Jazz Festival. And we made this connection with this band. And because the valleys are not blessed with Africans and they brought a completely different kind of culture, we thought it would be brilliant to kind of bring them together with our young people from the valleys. And our project is embracing and exploring the things that connect us, which are through the arts, which is through dance, music and song. And from experience, Valleys Kids knows that the arts are a fantastically compelling transformatory tool. And so we've commissioned a community play with the idea that it will enable us to embrace as many ordinary people as possible in an extraordinary experience.
Valleys Kids have brought me into this project as a storyteller, as a theatre maker, to find some thematic link that we could create a piece of community theatre that binds South Africa in Wales. Now, the more you look into it, I mean, you keep coming back to the film Zulu. Right where we are filming now is the very place where Stanley Baker's ashes were scattered. We have the very place where a part of the film was recorded, the singing of Men of Harlech. So there we've got the real stuff of history right in our backyard. So I thought, well, what if at that time in 1964 there was a young man from this area here who goes out to film Zulu, and at the same time there is a young Zulu girl also living the dream, and they meet, fall in love, and then are ripped apart by the brutalities of apartheid. So I explored that story, followed it, and then the confluence I found that somehow where their stories become inextricably entwined is in the London Olympics.
There will be a choir, there will be dance, there will be circus. It will be an incredible celebration of two cultures which reflect their differences and their similarities and leave a lasting legacy of relationships and connections that will enable us to then build on that foundation stone.
What both communities have got is an almost immutable sense of belonging and attachment to a place. And not just a place, an attachment to each other, to all the people who live down there in that valley. And I think that's what the project, that's what the story is trying to tap into.
And it's been a fantastic intergenerational journey. I think what's marked it out is that it's been able to bring together teenage boys in a choir with much older people. We've covered rapping, dance, music making, visual art, photography. So we're managing to span a very diverse range of arts and engaging people. Because the story is such a compelling one, they've come on board and they're making the journey with us. And we're hoping to gather more people between now and next July who will become part of the project and perform alongside the others. And also we're going to have an exhibition and book publications that will also reflect the talents and the skills of people from both communities, because it's about juxtaposing two cultures and exploring the similarities and the differences between them and shining a light on them.
We've got like 100, 200 people in the valleys who can say, yeah, and we are part of the Cultural Olympiad. We are inextricably linked to the London Olympics. We are part of that world.